Welcome to Microsoft's Surface manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you how we build premium Windows devices. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Creating Surface's advanced cooling systems. Dual fan vapor chamber cooling for high-performance models.
Creating Surfaced Premium video conferencing hardware. 1080p front-facing camera with Windows Hello IR authentication.
Our new custom drivers for Surface are ready.
Let's test the firmware integration for Windows Hello.
Welcome to the Microsoft Operations Center, where we oversee our complete premium device ecosystem. Each Surface display is individually calibrated to Microsoft's creative professional standards, ensuring color accuracy.
Microsoft pioneered comprehensive Windows Hello authentication testing for security and convenience.
The multi-position transformation is becoming difficult. Fabric is showing wear.
Hinge durability is below Microsoft standards.
Surface Laptop Studio's Hinge is our signature innovation. Users must transform confidently after years, not months.
We're seeing significant wear at this pivot point, matching the simulation's stress concentration.
The fabric layer is also degrading faster than projected here.
Microsoft's Hinge solution. Aerospace-grade materials, lifetime lubrication, rigorous testing, ensuring dynamic woven.
needs. Microsoft's advantage, optimizing Windows for Surface Silicon, display, and thermals simultaneously, achieving battery efficiency impossible.
Then we took the main swap and just attack. Things quarter brand. So dry.
Every Microsoft Surface entering automated test stations, Hinge durability spot checking, display color calibration, Windows Hello biometric testing, Surface Pen pressure validation.
Today we'll focus on surface hinge repair and display replacement. Remember, customer excellence is key.
Microsoft Surface. Integration excellence.
For our daily premium device targets, hinge quality standards are crucial. Windows integration goals must be met to empower every person.
Looks like yesterday's output was strong.
Yes, and today's hinge targets are on track. These display calibration metrics are excellent, and customer satisfaction is high.
My name is Rajiv Atri, and I have been with Microsoft for over a decade, focusing on manufacturing for our premium devices.
We need to replace the cutting tool and calibrate the coolant system precisely.
We're seeing a significant tightening in the Intel Core Ultra chip supply. We need to optimize our production schedule immediately.
Our global team is united by our premium device mission, upholding Microsoft values in world-class manufacturing.
Welcome, everyone! Today we celebrate a truly remarkable achievement, the 5 millionth Surface device produced this year. Our durability testing insights led to this enhanced dynamic woven hinge, now undergoing validation for future Microsoft product integration.
We've isolated the fault to the primary controller.
Let's bring in the Windows team. Redmond, are you seeing this?
Here's the production status. Hinge quality metrics are key for our premium devices.
Understood. We'll maintain 24/7 continuity.
Now you know Microsoft Surface's manufacturing secrets. Which Surface device would you choose? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more premium hardware deep dives.
Next, Apple MacBook factory secrets. Then, Dell XPS production precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.